Alright, Brennan Moriarty. Um, I'm outside. Neighbors can hear everything you say outside, right? So, probably the only voice outside. Um, so I was gonna write some poetry, but I keep getting it at the wrong time, and I just hope to have some sort of guidance. Um, and I don't know, somewhere to stand. I'm actually testing because computer hasn't been working a lot. I mean, hey, my other computer, my big computer, just died, and so should have bought the package they said, But anyways, let's take a look inside. Here's the bathroom my dad built out of marble, so you get your feet nice and cold, right? Cold feet, who doesn't want that, huh? Anyway, so no, something's cooking. Anyways, um, yeah, I was when I'm when I'm ready to speak. There's no camera, so I desperately need a camera to just hold with me because then I can just press the button and send my words into the internet. Sound like the Mad Simpsons mad scientist guy, right? Just push the button, a man, thick glasses. Jesus. Okay, so anyways, I'm so tired. Uh, anyways, I've been hearing some stuff lately. Oh God, I'm like, what did they say on the radio today? Could it be? Could it possibly be? Um, I'm probably just imagining things. Just wipe that out of your mind until you. Okay, so who knows? I have hope. I seriously